This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa.murdock. Spacious 3-bedroom townhouse, centrally located in Hampton Roads. Features include open floor plan, bonus den/family room, 1-car garage, fenced backyard perfect for entertaining, and a large master bedroom with private bath. No smoking, 1 small pet considered with owner approval. Occupied must give 24-hour notice to show. Available September 1, 2021. Apply online at www.townerentals.com for more information. Review the details below.